Hey there nerds, sometimes you might be looking at how to add a user to a Plesk that doesn't have user functionality in here, and I've been spending the past 1 hour looking to see why my Plesk doesn't have user functionality in it. I also looked at the extensions and updates, it's nowhere to be found. So how do we add a user in this case? My recommendation, the workaround that we found, this is by the way Plesk Onyx from what I believe. We're going to be adding a user as a customer, so as a reseller. So our developer that will be working with us within this environment will be added as a reseller basically. So his name is Edgar. Hide the email address and fill out the information shortly. So just create a username and a password and you've got your reseller. Let's try to log in using his credentials. I guess you can see his email address, that's fine. Let's log in into here. So that's the interface that the developer would be able to see. And when they're working with this within this interface, that will be fine because they have the subscription button here. They can add subscriptions and they can work within them. So that would be totally fine. Also, as an admin, once you're logged in as an administrator, you can go over to the subscriptions page and you can actually change the subscriber. Because I'm logged in as an admin, I have access to every single account. You can click the button change subscriber, you can select your developer here, click next, and then that will convert to custom. That's fine. Just make sure that they have the right subscriptions as well. And you can always revert them back. Change subscriber, I can put it back to peer, then click next, finish, and that will take care. You can move them in and out. So if you have any questions, we'll be more than happy to help you out with your Plesk installation and Plesk configuration. There's quite a few things when it comes to configuring Plesk correctly. A bit about our company. We do web development work. Webback is our business. You can check out our portfolio over here. Really high quality websites that we design, and we build them in-house in the United States. So feel free to join in if you are looking for a website to be built, or if you're looking for work, we'll be more than happy to work with you. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.